Hello everyone, welcome back to SoCaliRific. Today we are back here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Of course we're gonna take a walk around the park and just see if there's any new things and just have a good time. So come along and let's go. Okay, the first thing I have noticed is that the entrance to the Universal Studios store on this side is currently closed. The store is still open, so we'll take a look at the other side. So it looks like they're doing some construction or something behind this inside the Universal Studios store. I am so curious to see what possibly could be going on. This is the first time I noticed these mugs here at the Universal Studios store. It says Determination for Gryffindor, and these mugs are $20. You got courage, determination, and bravery. Here's a look at the Slytherin one. You can see also inside, how cool is that? It has like a little logo, ambition, cunning, and pride. Here's a look at the Ravenclaw one. This says wisdom, learning, and wit. And lastly, we have Hufflepuff. In the back, it says patience, dedication, and loyalty. Another new arrival here at the Universal Studios store is this Owen Doll. How cute is this? This is so adorable. I love little plushies. I like his little facial expression and his little mustache. And he is $17. And for all you graduates this year, they have some Grad Bash merch. Class of 2022. This is what the front looks like. Has a little logo right here, and this is $48. Here is a current look at the wait times. As you can see, super low wait times today for the weekday. This is what it's gonna look like before Memorial Weekend and the summer crowds arrive, but right now, super great wait times. Let's step into the little Hello Kitty store because I believe they have a new Loungefly. They have restocked on these Hello Kitty mugs. I think they're so cute. Definitely gonna pick one up because we didn't get one last time and they sold out. And this is $25. Okay, so my audio messed up, but I just wanted to show you this Loungefly wallet and look how adorable it is. It's Kuromi and My Melody, and I love this backside too, like with the little hearts. They also had this really cute purse, and let me tell you, like this texture was very interesting. It was very soft, and I just love this Loungefly like new line that they came out with. It's just so cute. You can find this at the Hello Kitty store, but I just wanted to show you a quick glimpse of how it looks.
Quick! Shaggy, let's go! Quick! 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 It's not going anywhere! Oh no! Oh man, what do we do? Oh, we gotta get to the mystery machine. I just changed the oil. Quick! I don't see anybody, right? Oh, I got you. Don't worry about it. Oh! You got it? Great! Velma! I can't get... Oh! How much pizza did you have?
The Scooby Gang is so cool. I always love watching them. They're so hilarious. Here's a current progress of this maze. They have added more texture and brickwork since last time, because before it was just in the little corner, but now it's filling up the space. Secret Life of Pets is currently only 5 minutes. We definitely have to get on. This is one of my favorite parts of the queue. How adorable is he? Looks like he's waking up.
You can do it, puppies! Don't be scared!
Yes, so exciting. Ready to die, everyone!
For the Secret Life of Pets. That was so cool. If you are coming to Universal, you need to do that ride. It is so awesome, like with all the animatronics. It's just like a really good ride. Okay, I'm about to head on to Silly Swirly because there's absolutely no line. Walk on and might as well. It's like the Dumbo of Universal. It just spins around in the air, but it's super relaxing. Let's go high above. We got the little Minion. I feel like I'm sliding. Oh, I'm a little scared. No, it's nice. So relaxing. You just spin around, let the breeze hit your hair. Woo. Head back down. Wow. Oh, we're on the same level now. I spent most of my time up in the air. I wonder why the Minion Cafe is currently closed. Right now they're recommending Cocina Cucamonga or Mel's Diner, but it is not open today, and I wonder why. Here at Cocina Cucamonga, it looks like they have seasonal concoctions. We got some specialty drinks, the pineapple mango lemonade, a horchata, and if you want some cocktail, they got the Fiesta Punch. There it is right over there. Oh, it has a tamarind straw. And they also have a spiked horchata as well. Super cool. I like when they have like seasonal things here at Universal. Here's a weekly look at Super Nintendo World. Look at all like that back like texture. That is like super completed. Look at that. It is looking good. Still working super hard, putting all the components together. We still got the piranha plants up in plastic. Let's see the green warp pipe. Nothing yet there, but they're definitely like working on something right there. Okay, we're currently gonna have lunch at 3 Broomsticks. That's where I usually eat, but if you guys have any other suggestions, I do want to try some more foods at Universal. Drop a comment down below and let me know like what's your go-to meal when you come to Universal, because I'm super curious and I do want to try some new stuff. So today I went simple. I just got the kids meal and that was $8.99, and look how much food it came with today. Even like the grapes, they packed them in. And I wanted to try a new dessert today, and that is a chocolate trifle. That's what I decided to go with. I've had other desserts before, like the apple pie. That was so good. The sticky toffee is actually good as well. So this is the first time I'm trying this, so I'll let you know if this is good too. So here is what it looks like. I never knew I was like into mousse desserts, but lately I have been. They're so delicious, but let's see if this one is. Okay, so it has like a milk chocolate mousse, but also mixed with dark chocolate on top because it has like dark chocolate crumbles with strawberry inside. It's super smooth. The whipped cream's delicious. I do recommend it. It's pretty good. Okay, so my order of desserts here, I would go with the apple pie #1, the sticky toffee pudding #2, and the chocolate trifle #3. It was still good, but I do prefer those desserts more. Looks like the studio tour is only 10 minutes. Let's do this. I haven't been on the studio tour since the last time, and that was at night, so I'm glad I get to do it today. The wait times are really good today, so I want to take advantage because I know in a few weeks that's not going to be the case. So I'm going to try to get in some rides just before all the crowds come for summer. Look at this line. Or shall I say, what line? Cool.
Be opening up next year, 2023. Check out our website, universalstudioshollywood.com. We've shot shows like America's Got Talent in there.
Finally, I have
We've
not
done Hairspray
been
Live,
here since the pandemic.
Keychains, and even Will and Grace. Stop is perhaps the most famous location on the lot. It is officially called Courthouse Square, but many of you may know it as the town of Rutherford Falls from the sitcom that streams on Peacock, or you may also know it as the town of Hill Valley from Back to the Future. Check this out.
I was up there for quite a while. Of course, I had a cable.
Clip from Will and Grace. Even the vehicle you're sitting in right now is also a picture car.
Here. Scary. No, don't get me, don't get me, don't get me. Please don't get me.
Oh my gosh, folks. I apologize for that incident. I had... Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna fucking noise. Oh my god, folks, it's a flat flood. Everyone take cover. Holy Jimmy Jonga, folks. Stay seated. I'll go over and assist you, but please, for your safety, do not jump off this ramp.
So I would say that was a pretty successful studio tour. We went through the metro sets, which I haven't done since like the park reopened. I also haven't seen Norman since the park reopened. And we went through Colonial Street, like where the Desperate Housewives houses were. So it was really cool because it was like changed it up a little. It's a little different vibe, but awesome. Okay, here is a Super Nintendo update from this angle. But we are here for the Horror Nights update. This front looks the same except for this. It's like they have like a little booth next to it. Interesting. Let's take a look at the back. Pretty much looks the same as well. Ooh, I think getting some paint though. Look at those white walls. I didn't see that last time. And comment below if you know which maze this is going to be, because I know a lot of you know like a lot more info than I do. So if you guys know, let us know. Of course, we have to head into the Super Nintendo World store. because we gotta see if there's anything new. We got some more pins. We got Yoshi right here, Mario, Luigi. These are $14. They also got this pin in. This is super cute. I like it because it's Super Nintendo World. It's glittery and it has all the characters. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And this is $14. Okay, and for $11, they have these super cool pins. They are like character ones. We got Yoshi, we got Luigi, Bowser, and this one's pretty hefty. Look at, like, this is a really good quality pin. We got Princess Peach, and we got Mario. I really do like these. These are super cool. I think I'm gonna have to pick up the Yoshi. They also brought back these pins and these keychains. I actually have this one. Okay, they also have these keychains. These are new. We got player 1, player 2, and another like player 1 and player 2 pin. They're really stepping up their pin game here. We got this one. Look at this. Super cool. Okay, and it looks like Universal Studios has been setting up for Grad Bash 2022. Throughout the park you can find little photo ops for Grad Bash, and if you're graduating this year you could come and do some of them during the day as well. They're available to guests. They also have like a little red carpet here. I'm assuming for Grad Bash you come take your red carpet photo. Here is our weekly update from the Curious George parking lot on this maze. It doesn't seem like too much like difference from last week that I was here. We still got the well out over there, but really nothing like major changes. And this one right over here, this one actually you can see a lot of progress is being made inside the maze. So that's super cool. And we got the facade up. And I tried to get some footage of the front of the facade for that maze while I was on the tram tour. I'm gonna insert it, but let me tell you, it was like some bouncy footage because you know that tram is bouncy, so let's see what we could see from there. And here is a look from the back side of this maze, just so we could have like some perspective for later. But yep, not too many changes this week. All right, everyone, so that was our day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. It was a pretty successful day. We got to do some rides, had a great lunch, and we did get to see some new merch and updates. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.